Hello everyone, and today we are going to talk about a really important topic. I'm sure so many of you would relate to this topic. It's about weight loss. How we can have the weight loss we desire and how to be fit in our life. So if you are my new subscriber, welcome. If you are my existing subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today, this video is the fifth video of my water series, and if you haven't seen those videos, I would highly recommend you to go and see them first. So let's discuss about what is it about weight loss that is so much stuck in people's mind that they can't really focus and they can't really do it. Let's talk about our body. You know what? Our body is the only thing, our entire body is the only thing which is going to stay with us from the time we are born until we take our last breath. That is the only best friend you will ever have in your life, besides all your family members. When you were born with a body, right? When you were small, you had no clue how to breathe, how to do this natural functioning of the body. Your body is the one who looked after you. Your body is the one who was caring for you. It's only the time when you realize that this is my body, I need to look after it. Until that, your body is exactly doing what it is supposed to be doing. So that means your body is very intelligent. It's very intelligent. You know your heart is beating, but unless and until you stop and notice it, then only you will realize that all the body functions, they are working irrespective of how you are treating your body, what you are telling to the body. Are you being grateful to your body, or you are just all the time saying this is not nice, I am too chubby, my tummy is big, my thighs are big, this is small, xyz. Now think about a person who is staying with you 24/7. This person is staying with you 24/7, and you are not saying thank you to the person. Instead, you keep on complaining about it. This is not nice in you, this is not nice in you, I don't like this, I want to change this, I hate it. But still, this person is constantly working for you. This person is constantly with you no matter what is happening. And this person is your own body. No matter how much you abuse your body, no much how much you put inside your body, the body is with you all the time. And the reason for me to say this, to be grateful. If you want to lose your weight, be grateful for your own body, because without this vehicle, there is nothing you would be able to do. There is nothing you would be able to hear, see, talk, and so many things we are doing. First thing, be most grateful for your own body. And I have make a gratitude video. Please have a look. So now we are grateful for our own body, which we might were not before. But how we can lose the weight? And let me tell you that this conception of losing the weight is so wrong. You never lose anything. What happens when you lose your house keys or car keys? What is your brain going to tell you? Your brain will start telling you, start looking for it. Is your brain going to sit down? No. Because this is important. Because the house keys, the car keys you have lost. That means I need to find it again. Same way, when you say, I want to lose weight, the body is thinking, oh, something is losing from me. That means I need to gain it back. I need to gain it back by any way possible. So the term weight loss itself is a very wrong term. Think about it. Stop the video and think about it. You never ever lose the weight. Now you may ask, then why the video? I want to make you aware that we release the weight. We let it go. We let go of what is not needed in our life. Like we say, forget and forgive. Same way, we let go of the unneeded. We release it. We release those toxins from the body. We let this unwanted fat or muscle or unwanted energy which is there in our body, we let it go. We say bye and we say thank you. Every single inches, every single kilograms you lose, You say thank you to your own body, that thank you for let it go. So thank you for giving it out, thank you for releasing it from my body. Not I want to lose weight, because remember, you will never ever lose weight. Once you lose it, you will gain back. And you have to let it go to the universe, to the abundance, that okay, I'm releasing, I'm happily releasing. Thank you for being with me until this time. Thank you for helping me. But now it's time for us to depart. Now it's time for us to say bye bye forever. Once you have this mindset, the game changes. So, the food and your body. Think about the food relation. So, how much of time we take to grow the food, to create the food, to make the food, and the time it comes to our table, the time it comes to your plate, and you eat. Do you know how long it all takes? And this is going to definitely blow your mind. So, from the time the food touches my lips inside until whatever is happening here, the chewing part, the tasting part, everything. So, only this much part, okay? Only this much of part is in contact with the food and me and my body. Once it goes down from here, I have no clue what is happening inside. Unless somebody tells me that this is junk, this is healthy, this is juicy, this is sour taste, my body is going to take everything except it. Think about it, only from here to here. If you can control to eat those food only for this many seconds, tell me, comment in the write in the comment below how many minutes you chew a food. Are you taking 10 minutes, 5 minutes? How many minutes you are actually justifying that food which is going through your mouth until your food pipe? How many minutes, how many seconds you are justifying that food in your body? So that much minute only contact you have with the outside food and in your body. This body is your temple. This is the body you are born with. This is the body you have to admire, cherish like it is your own business. Treat this body as it is your own grand vehicle or empire. Don't treat as if it's a rented place where you can abuse it and just, say it's okay, it's not mine. You were born with this. Nobody else was born with this. You, the body chose you. The soul chose you to live inside. Now you might be thinking, now tell me the connection between the water and weight loss. Of course, I'm not going to talk about here about all the water things and what you can do, because there are too many health videos anyway available. To now okay. So remember, the only connection you have with any kind of food is from the mouth. From the time it touches your tongue, you chew it inside until this much. That's it. Then we have completely no clue what's happening inside. Something to be really considered in your life. Let's talk about now how water is going to help us in our weight loss journey, right? So if you have seen the previous video, you kind of know the drill, but if you haven't, it's fine. I'll explain it one more time. So you have to choose what is the ideal weight. What is your definition of being fit? What is your definition of being healthy? What is your definition of having that ideal weight for yourself, first of all? Once you know that definition, once you know that standard for you, ask yourself why I want to do this. And don't tell me you want to do it because if it's your sister's wedding, it's your own wedding, you want to look nice in the summertime, like they say, getting your body ready for the summer. Think about a very strong why I want to be fit, why I want to have this amount of weight. And if you know the drill, take a book, this make this as your best friend. Take a book, start writing it down. So I would like to achieve, or I am on so and so weight, and I would like to achieve what is my why? Okay, I want to be fit and healthy. Why? Because I can play with my children. Why? Because my children are really important for my life. I want to be fit and healthy. Why? Because I want to grow old beautifully. I want to grow old stronger. I want to be for my friends, for my family, because if I am healthy and fit, I would like to help them. I want to be fit and healthy because I want to concentrate on my business, because I can work with the full energy. Because if you are healthy inside, the energy is going to be very much stronger and very much nicer. So these are the whys you need to find out. Why I want to be at six pack, whatever your goal is. This is important. So start finding out first of all why, and once you know it, you will hit the nail, because now you know this is my why. This is the reason I want to do it, not because somebody else is telling me. Do not fall into that trap that because somebody else is doing it, I want to do it. Unless and until you feel like doing it, unless and until you feel like working on your body, do not fall into this trap of what somebody else is doing, because that will be very temporary. And now let's start the practical part of it. You know, our favorite water glass or water bottle. First, I'm going to give it lots of love, happy energy. You know the drill. If you haven't seen the video, I would highly recommend you watch those videos first. Every time I'm drinking the water, I am visualizing myself that fit and healthy, enthusiastic, energetic person. And I am also visualizing my why, that I am fit and healthy and I'm spending lots of time with my children, playing games, doing things with them. I am fit and healthy and I am working on my business, working on my job, working on my family. Whatever is your why, you are visualizing with your eyes wide open, and go to this beautiful journey of yours and see yourself for so many years, that this many years I am so much fit and healthy. I am taking all the necessary steps for me to be in this fit journey and not the weight loss journey. I am releasing whatever the toxins are in my body. I am happily releasing. And when you release those toxins, say thank you to them, that I am releasing the unnecessary weight you had. You are releasing them and you are telling them thank you for staying with me, because remember, they were part of you. Everything you are visualizing and now you are drinking it. Very important part in this water series is your belief and the determination, that no matter what is going to happen, I am going to achieve this. I can do this. Not because somebody else can do it, but because I want to do it. It's my own choice. When you come from this, it's my choice, the whole life changes. But when you are following somebody and you are just doing it because they are telling you to do, you might do it, but then you will have 10,000 excuses not to do it. Of course, follow the diet, follow the lifestyle you want to follow. For this, only water is not going to help you. But if you have the right mindset, the right psychology behind this, the right energy behind this food, and behind this fit and healthy journey of yours, nothing is impossible. You will surely achieve that result in your life. As you know, this is a water series 7-day challenge. And 7-day challenge is just to start, just to give you that push to start this journey. So if you are doing it, please comment below. Take the action now. What is that one action you are going to do? Are you going to write it down first? You're going to start the water journey? What is it you are going to say? And remember, we do not lose weight. We are going to release it. We are going to release whatever is not needed in our body. I really hope you like this water series. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you all so much. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye. And if you are my existing support, okay, cancel this. Cancel, cancel, cancel.